What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and before I even begin Tesla video here guys, I just want to tell you how excited I am for this video of Tesla because wow, what a day on Tesla. Bulls, well we just lost the pivot today, and bulls came in the very last 10 minutes and changed things for forever and for good. I think so. So we'll talk about the price action. When I say forever and for good, at least for the coming days, this confirmation that we just got today in the last 10 minutes in the price action, and let me show you that real quick. Let's go to the 5 minutes interval. Wow, look at this clean breakout, and as I'll go through the video, it's a clean breakout of the structure. This gives us bulls a lot of confidence in the continuity with that we have been planning. So let's talk about all that stuff in this video guys. What shall we be expecting from Tesla price action going in tomorrow? How things are looking like? Am I worried is it like bearish, or is it gonna continue to the upside? A lot of things to watch guys. So Tesla hasn't really announced their numbers yet of the productions for the first quarter. They are about to. BYD did that, but I don't think that Tesla did so far. Yeah guys, so Tesla hasn't come out with their numbers yet on the production and the delivery for the Q1s yet. Yes, analysts have been expecting lower numbers, and BYD did their numbers and they are really topping out, But what I'm trying to say here is that, again, this video is not for BYD, and it's just, I don't even know why I brought up BYD here, but everyone compares BYD with Tesla, right? As for the BYD exponential growth that is happening. But anyways, so yeah. Tesla, as I just showed you in the last 10 minutes, really changed around the things for the technicals, right? And at one point, so going in today, I talked about this 175 is so critical level to watch, and we got a flush there, right? And as we'll go through, I'll show you. Let me just show you right away why and why not, right? So if I go to the hourly interval, this is where we did lose a pivot today in the morning, 175, and yeah, this thing lost 200 hours moving average as well. And wow, what a comeback, what a comeback. But what Tesla has confirmed as for the day candle close is good buying. Not just that, but also this pivot confirmation. We almost lost this pivot today, guys. I was about to make a video and I was like, yeah, it's okay. The video that was gonna come out initially was as I was watching the price action throughout the day. Tesla did do a good rebound and come back, but we had to rely on tomorrow's price action probability to regain that pivot point. But just the last 10 minutes, the way things turned around, Tesla has already broken some good structures, which means structures that were building to the downside, Tesla has broken that and has given a good confirmation to the upside now. So we'll talk about, as I said, all that in the video. And if I haven't let you know, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. I'm only sharing my opinion. That's all. As an educational content, you are solely responsible for your own decisions and outcomes. So yes, so we have, as I said, yes, we are still holding this pivot zone on Tesla, guys. This is higher low, still a good pivot. And wow, I can't emphasize this hard. And what a good buying we got today on the pullback into this structure, and this pivot is really strong. Now, in my just opinion, nothing is guaranteed. Now we closed above 20 days moving average as well. That's what we want to see as well in these early uptrends, that we want to get above level by level above these critical resistance levels. So things are looking great so far on Tesla, and you already know I still have this position of mine that I opened on Tesla. I'm still holding through it. I did cover, around I think 40 or 45% already in some extended profits here, and remaining I'm still holding around 55 to 60%. Now, we gotta jump to the hourly interval to talk more about here on Tesla. So let's go over there. Okay, so what we saw today, first of all, I want to talk about that, is we losing 175. We did gap up, but then as I talked about to you guys in my video over the weekend, that if Tesla is not breaking above $178.17, it's not in an uptrend. It does have some uphill battle. So this gave us intraday short play today. right? And we lost that 175 as well, and that became the flush zone, and we kept selling off. And you can see if I take it to the 5 minutes interval, you can see that constant rejection today for the, this is what you have to see. We kept rejecting, and that eventually led Tesla to just continue lower, right? That was the downside. So yeah, so that was the loss of all the levels and everything. Tesla was doing a good bounce back up already, but last 10 minutes really changed that structure. And what is that structure? So let me go back to the hourly interval, and that is regaining 175. The video that I was originally gonna do at least 10 minutes before the market close was like, tomorrow we have to regain 175 if we gotta get bullish. Otherwise, that still becomes a rejection zone. Now, Tesla has gotten above 175. Now we gotta hold it. We gotta hold this level. I wonder if big bulls bought into it, just they knew something is coming up on good delivery numbers or whatever. We don't know. I don't want to speculate. I just want to trade with the technicals. And so yeah, we have regained the level 175. That's very good. Now, does this make Tesla confirmed bullish again? As for the structure, because as you already know, over the weekend, as I talked about, Tesla has broken the structure to the downside, right? And that's why we even got the downside. Has Tesla, though, now confirmed some upside again? The structure has held or what? So good thing is that Tesla didn't close below 200 hours moving average today. It regained back above it. That's great, which means bulls are still holding. If we would have closed below 200 hours moving average, then yeah, we would be in the seller's territory. And then now, yes, 175, it's a good breakout structure. We want to hold it tomorrow. And if we can break above 178 tomorrow, yes, that's again a confirmed structure to the upside. Tesla has already confirmed the structure to the upside, in my opinion, getting above 175. That shows us the sentiment and the hold. As long as we hold this level tomorrow, this is very important. Once we confirm the structure to the upside, we want to hold that level to next day as well for the continuation confirmed structure. Okay, so yes, this is looking good, in my opinion. Tomorrow, like today, we talked last 2 days or so, we talked about this level breaking, and we were looking at this downside because of the structure. Now, structure is looking like just we regained that level 175, and we have shown the structure to the upside now. So we can expect continuation to the upside. Just my opinion, nothing is guaranteed. I would love to see it get above this 50 hours moving average as well, and above 178 tomorrow. So very important, and eventually making our way above 180. But yeah, looking great, not bad. So let's go to the 4 hours here. And yeah, so far Tesla is looking great, as I have shown you on the daily interval as well. We are maintaining these pivots, higher lows and higher highs, at least for now. Now what we want to see is this week above 180. If we can do that, it's another confirmed higher high. So yeah, that's what we want to see. But until then, intraday 180 tomorrow becomes a possibility for tomorrow. So yeah, trade level by level with the structure shifts and changes and in the direction of the structure. But yes, we were getting a continuation of the downside structure, as I showed you already. We got a lot of moves, but now yes, structure has shown, even on lower time frame, this little bit of a pivot, and structure has getting above 175 has shown upside. Awesome. Tesla is looking great, in my opinion. And this such a great candle, such a great buyback down here with this good wick. It's amazing the way Tesla has closed. It has closed above 20 days moving average. I'm loving it. And yeah, the pivot is still to the upside. We are still in the bullish territory, in my opinion though. Okay, cool, good stuff. Let's take a look at QQQ and SPY as well while we are talking about Tesla. So QQQ having again that distribution thing going on. It's again not bearish as long as it's above $441 level. It is, yes, it is weak. It is in the distribution phase, but it's not that downside play right now. Look at it, it's still holding above 200 hours moving average. It's looking very so distributed here, so choppy, so distributed. If you can avoid trading in this time on this choppiness, that's better. SPY still in that channel. We gapped up today, all-time highs, but we sold off at all-time highs. But it's not bearish fully though. What I mean by that, intraday you can trade however with the break of levels on either direction, but on the daily interval we are still bullish as long as SPY is above 518. It's not a confirmed downside play. Yeah, this cool off is coming. Let's see how much this cool off comes though, because we are still in that channel, right? Still in that channel. It's so bullish that it's not even catching up to this 200 hours moving average down there. Still look at the gap between 200 hours moving average and the price lately. So this is looking quite awesome as well. Yes, it's weak, but it's not weak enough that it's fully bearish like on the swing side. All right, guys, super excited about Tesla. This is looking great to me. I'm excited. I am excited. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I'll be doing a lot more other videos. I did some on NVIDIA already in the morning, but that was the morning update. I'll be doing NVIDIA again once the market has closed. So NVIDIA video will be coming out soon as well. Then AMD and all the good stuff, guys, all the good stocks. So hit the like, subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.